Welcome to the ultimate floral wonderland, the Dubai Miracle Garden. With over 45 million blooming flowers, this place is nothing short of a masterpiece. Let me take you on a magical journey through this breathtaking paradise. Every corner here feels like stepping into a dream. From the stunning floral castle to the heart-shaped pathways, the creativity and vibrant colors will leave you absolutely spellbound. They also hold the Guinness World Record for floral arrangement. This massive Airbus A380 completely covered in flowers. So save this reel for your next Dubai trip and thank me later.